All right, this video is going to cover number 9 of the college algebra final exam review. It says to solve the equation or inequality, x squared equals negative 40. So we're trying to get x by itself. Let me share my camera. All right, x squared equals negative 40. So we're trying to get x by itself. So I need to get rid of that squared. The opposite of squared is square root. So we can take the square root of both sides. That way the square and the square root cancel each other out. Don't forget, whenever you take the square root, you need to add plus or minus. So there was not a square root in the problem. We added it. So whenever we add it is whenever you need that plus or minus. So x equals plus or minus the square root of negative 40. Just like you always simplify a fraction, you always try to simplify a radical. It's a square root, so we're looking for two of a kind. I have negative 40, so negative 1 times 40. Negative 1's our special case, so I'm going to circle that. 40 we know is, let's do 4 times 10. 4 is 2 times 2. 2 cannot be broken down any further, so it's going to get circled. 10 is 2 times 5. Likewise, 2 and 5 cannot be broken down any further, so they're going to get circled. So we have plus or minus the square root of underneath the radical. We have negative 1 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 5. I'm going to break down my x equals. It's the square root, so we're looking for two of a kind. So these two 2's are going to come out of the radical as just 2. There's only 1 2 and 1 5, so they're going to be left underneath the radical. The square root of negative 1, that's our special case. That's going to be our I. So that's going to come out of the radical. Again, left underneath the radical is that 2 and 5. Don't forget that plus or minus out front. So our final answer is plus or minus I times 2, which is 2I, square root of 2 times 5, which is 10. So plus or minus 2I square root of 10, which is answer choice B. Quickly going to show you answer choices again. So it will be answer choice B, plus or minus 2I square root of 10. And that's number 9. Thank you for watching.